Cowboy Sloppy Joe, not from a can. What time is it? It's time to eat. Come on. Welcome to the camp. My name is Don Cleaver, and this is my camp, Camp Cleaver. And we're camped up here in the high Rocky Mountains of Colorado, about 10,000 feet. So we're way up here. It gets a little cool at night. Another situation we may have is we're right in the middle of a fire ban because there's forest fires all around us. So we can't have any open fire, so no charcoal on our cast iron, like Kent Rollins would do. And I'm following Kent Rollins in his cookbook, and I'm trying to cook one recipe at a time and see how they convert to our camping. And so far they've been doing really, really good. So today we're doing the Cowboy Sloppy Joes. So let's get started. So we're going to brown up our hamburger. Nice and brown. Now we've been camping and cooking like this for, I don't know, 20, 30 years. It's been a long time. But it's just been traditional camping type of food, hamburgers, hot dogs, and chicken sometimes, some steaks. So I was looking on the interwebs and I saw Kent Rollins, one of his videos on YouTube, and I thought, that guy does almost exactly like we're doing. He cooks more of a ranch style chuck wagon, but very, very similar. So I bought his cookbook, and I'm on a mission to cook every one of his recipes.
And I'm on a mission to eat every one of them.
All right. Yep, so far it's been a hit. We've been having a little bit of a challenge every now and then trying to get the temperature correct on a Dutch oven. This is the first time we've cooked with a Dutch oven. First day we burned our lemon cake pretty good, but it still tasted really, really good. Lily's my taste tester. Yeah. Hamburger's done. Pardon me while I stick this over here and drain a little bit of grease. Okay, turn this down just a little bit. All right. Now we're going to add in our onions, brown sugar, Rotel barbecue sauce, and mustard. So there's our Rotel, our onions, our brown sugar, a little sweet, our barbecue sauce, sweet heat barbecue sauce we made a couple days ago, 1 tablespoon of mustard, about that much right there. Okay, mix this together. Sloppy Joe.
Boy, homemade buns too, I expect.
That'd be nice. We're going to let this simmer for about 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
And then we're going to add our cheese and we'll be ready to roll.
10 minutes?
This is just about the right consistency. I'm going to add some cheese, pepper jack, turn this way down. The cheese binds everything together really good. I'm going to turn the heat off. Let's take all right. Look at that. Ooey gooey goodness. Very nice. All right. As always, if you like what we're doing, please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the little dingy bell at the bottom there. And please check out some of our other videos. And just like Kent does, we like to tip our hat to the veterans who help keep this country safe and keep that flag flying over our campsite. Have a good day.